Okay, I have the voiceover recorded for the 30-second spot we are doing, and I put in some mess ups in here so I can fix them. All right, so this is what it sounds like.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 children. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless. The heart.
So basically, I need to take out this spot right here, right? So we kind of know how to do this from the last tutorial, but we'll do it again, where I am going to jump in here, and I'm going to split this, which once again is a Command K. This is how we can split this. There we go. We're going to make sure that the track is selected. And what I'm going to do is, and make sure we don't do this, because as you can see, this will stretch the time, which will make things go faster or slower. We don't want that. What we want to do is grab the side here, where we get this weird little red arrow thing. This will allow us to trim, right? Which we want to take out this whole part here.
Even worse, approximately 250.
There we go. And then we probably want to trim the front a little bit. Let's get the right spot. There we go. Let's see how this sounds.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless.
Okay, so maybe we need a little space there. Okay, so I'll just give a little more space, and of course we're starting right here at the beginning here, right? Is what we want to do at 0 seconds, because we're going to make a 30-second spot. Okay, so maybe we'll have something like this.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless.
Great. So what we want to do as well is go ahead and we are going to add some automation here so that it just doesn't click in and out the entire way. Or if we have enough space, we can actually throw this in like this, like we have here.
People in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless. The heart of United Way fights.
Great. So now we're going to cut audio to make sure that we're within 30 seconds, and we have it pretty much here. This works. So we need to make this probably a little bit longer. So what we can do is really kind of milk the beginning here.
The shocking statistic.
Maybe what we do is we will select all of these and pull it forward so we can have some audio at the beginning. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Something like this, and 30 seconds is what we're wanting. Right? We want to make it 30 seconds exactly. Do it like that. Select these, and we'll just pull it over. So we can have a start at the beginning.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5.
Great. Now, because we don't want it to slam in, we want to add some automation. So I'm going to go in here, add this stuff here, and bring it down so it comes in gently.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250.
And then here at the end, we want it to fade down. Donate.
Donate.
There we go. 30 seconds. Okay, now what I want to do is start adding some ambient tones and think about the design of this, right? Now, I'm thinking here at the beginning, I'm going to have like some sounds of some children and some sounds on the street, because it sounds like children are living in the street with that is kind of my plan. So I picked up some of these audios already, excuse me, that I think would be good. One is this one. Right, if you can hear, it's of children playing. And then this one, which is kind of car noise. There's like a police siren in here that I like. There we go. So I'm going to add these here into track 2 and track 3. Okay, and I'm going to mix these in with everything, right? So I want to start with the, let's just hear how it sounds.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are even worse.
So I want to start with the children playing here, right?
Approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless. The Heart of United Way fights for solutions to improve lives by supporting 30.
I like this right here. Right, we just have a little bit to cover here, so we can really just start however we want. And I like the police siren on this one, so I'm going to find the police siren. Go ahead and turn this up. Might have missed it. There we go. We'll start somewhere like this. And this is how we will start. And let's hear this thing together.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless.
Alright, so we're building up kind of this cityscape feel, which I like quite a bit. Okay, we're going to want to do a fade in on these. Let me zoom in. Right, and I'm going to put a fade in by using the automation. A little fade in.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County.
Great. I'm going to bring the children down a little bit. Oops, because we were starting. I didn't want to do that. Here we go. I'm going to go to this key point, bring it down a bit.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty.
Maybe what I'll do is I'll keep it up, and then as I start to come in with my narration, I'll add some automation and bring it down.
The shocking statistics. The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County live.
And I will do the same with this ambient tone, with the siren.
The shocking statistics.
And then we'll just massage it to make it sound right.
The shocking.
Do some longer fades, maybe. Would help.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in.
Maybe we'll keep the kids up a little bit.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 200.
Great. And then I like the idea also of maybe adding some sadness. So I chose this audio to kind of have some undertones of sad. Which this is going to be up real high already. I can already tell you that.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless. The Heart of United Way fights for solutions.
Alright, so now we're building something that sounds somewhat what we are after.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty.
In fact, maybe we don't even need this pad at this point. I don't know. But this is the thing to do. You experiment, right, as you're building this stuff, and you put the stuff in. You have to mix as you go along, and you can mix in a couple of ways. Right now, I'm mainly using the rubber band. We can also, if we need to, bring the children up here, right, by turning this up here.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately.
Now, something we've got to think of as we go along mixing is that we want to get as close to 0 dB as possible without going over, right? So.
Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless.
There we go. We can bring up this ambient a little bit.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty.
Of course, I'm going to have to come up with my vocals as well, my voiceover. Just inch this up a bit. I already have those other markers in there, which I should be able to delete by right-clicking and deleting them. Great. Bring up this entire thing. A couple of dB.
The shocking statistics are that one in
Nope, did you see that? I peaked too much. Bring it down a bit.
The shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty.
Maybe a little more.
The shocking statistics are that
We're close.
the shocking statistics are that 1 in 5 people in Boone County lives in poverty. Even worse, approximately 250 Columbia children are homeless. The heart of United Way.
Okay, so I'm building and I'm mixing. This is what you're going to have to do as you work through this. And I will get more on the next tutorial.